Welcome. Here we will be discussing the new Chart of Accounts initiative. The Chart of Accounts is a system for tracking every financial transaction that occurs at the college, whether it be a pack of pencils or hiring of part-time help. These transactions are cataloged into our banner system using an alphanumeric sequence called FOPL. FOPL stands for Fund, Organization, Account, Program, Activity, and Location. Fund describes where does the money come from. Organization addresses who is responsible for the money. Account details what type of transaction is it. Program describes what is the functional purpose of the transaction. Activity asks, does the program need to be tracked across different orgs, funds, etc.? And location details if the transaction is specific to a campus. Why is the Chart of Accounts being revised? As new best practices and advancements in technology evolve, the Chart of Accounts becomes outdated. With this modernization, we can organize financial information with how we operate as an institution, utilize appropriate modules in Banner, streamline budget and accounting practices, and enhance financial reporting. Our implementation process included three main components. The first step was a thorough review of the current structure to identify bottlenecks and areas of inefficiency. After analyzing our current chart, the draft of a new chart was created by reorganizing, collapsing, deleting, and adding to the coding structure. We then moved to testing and implementation, where we made further enhancements using best practices. So let's compare the current FOPL to what the new FOPL will look like. Funds are coded as 6-digit numeric values, organization as 6-digit alphanumeric values, account as 6-digit numeric values, program as 2-digit numeric values, activity as a multi-digit alpha value, and the location value is not utilized. To put this in context, let's say the controller's office wanted to hire part-time staff. They would use 111000 general funds for the fund, WB 3020 for the controller's office, 612042 for part-time support staff, 60 for institutional support, with nothing for the activity or the location code. The new structure is similar to the old one, with one major change. The fund is still a 6-digit numeric value. Organization is now a 5-digit numeric value. Account remains a 6-digit numeric value. Program is a 3 to 6-digit numeric value. Activity codes will not be utilized. And location is now a 3-digit numeric value. If we take the example from above, the new fund code will be 101010 for general funds. Organization will be 32005 for Office of the Controller. Account is 612042 for part-time support staff. Program would be 70100 for institutional support operations. And there is no activity code. Location is the new piece. In the old chart, the campus was represented as the first letter in the organization code. In the new structure, the campus is removed from the org code and placed in the location segment. The location code, however, only needs to be filled in if the transaction is specific to the operation of a campus, such as maintenance costs, capital projects, or utility bills. In this scenario, we don't need to put a location code. To ease the transition for users, an index code has been generated for each of the old FOPLs. An index code is an alphanumeric value that, when inserted into the index code field, will automatically populate with the new FOPL. For most users, the index code will be their old org code. To verify this, you can search the index code master list found on the New Structure page on the Chart of Accounts Initiative site. Aside from the new FOPL, you can expect to see a reorganization and update of the hierarchies, a streamlined purchasing approval process, and greater accuracy when viewing budgets. If you have any questions, please reach out to Finance and Strategy at ccri.edu for further assistance.